If you've recently been curious about best Christmas t-shirt on Amazon, this video is for you. Tried to make the video with informative description and customer reviews about Christmas tree, so that you can know A to Z about Christmas t-shirt on Amazon. Let's start. Number 1. Beopjesk Women's Buffalo Plaid Tees Casual Short. Key features. Buffalo Plaid elegance. Our tee combines the timeless charm of buffalo plaid with a contemporary twist. The classic black and white checkered pattern is a versatile choice that adds a touch of rustic charm to any outfit. Merry letter printed graphic. Embrace the holiday spirit year-round with the Merry letter printed graphic that spreads a message of joy and celebration. It's perfect for the holiday season or any time you want to add a cheerful touch to your style. Superior comfort. Made from high-quality, soft, and breathable fabric, this tee feels as good as it looks. The relaxed fit ensures all-day comfort, making it a must-have for your casual wardrobe. Versatile styling. Whether you're heading out for a casual brunch with friends, running errands, or just lounging at home, our buffalo plaid tee will keep you looking effortlessly chic. Pair it with jeans, leggings, or a cute skirt for various stylish looks. Perfect gift. This top makes a fantastic gift choice for friends, family, or yourself. Spread the holiday cheer or treat yourself to a stylish and comfortable addition to your wardrobe.
So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight.
Number 2. Santa Claus Costume Jumbo. Get ready to spread holiday cheer with our Santa Claus Costume Jumbo Print Novelty Christmas Holiday Humor Men's T-shirt. It's the perfect way to add a dash of fun and festivity to your holiday wardrobe. Key features. Jumbo Santa Claus Costume Print. Stand out at holiday parties, family gatherings, and seasonal events with this eye-catching Santa Claus costume print. The oversized design ensures that you'll be the life of the party and a source of festive amusement. Premium quality material, crafted with care from soft, comfortable, and breathable fabric. This t-shirt is perfect for all-day wear. It's designed to keep you comfortable and feeling good even during extended holiday celebrations. Holiday humor. Embrace the lighthearted side of the holiday season with the humorous Santa Claus costume print. This shirt is sure to bring smiles, laughter, and joyful conversations wherever you go. Versatile style. Whether you're donning this t-shirt for a casual Christmas gathering, a holiday-themed office party, or just hanging out at home, it's a versatile choice that easily pairs with jeans, slacks, or even pajama bottoms. Great gift idea. Looking for a fun and unique gift for a friend or family member? This Santa Claus costume t-shirt is an excellent choice. Ideal for anyone who loves to celebrate the holidays with a touch of humor. Easy care. This t-shirt is designed to withstand regular wear and washing. Enjoy its vibrant print and comfortable fit throughout the holiday season and beyond. Number 3. Tipsy Elves Classic Cute Cardigan. About this item: holiday card ready. Step up your greeting card photo game this year. Make your outfit picture perfect from all angles and match with the people you hold closest. With multiple styles and designs to choose from, the whole family will be ready and matching in no time. Snug and stylish with Tipsy Elves' incredible cozy and snug modern tailored fit. These aren't your grandma's ugly Christmas sweaters. You'll look so good this year. Santa will have no choice but to put you on the good list. Comfy, cozy, cute or ugly Christmas sweaters for women are perfect for staying warm and cozy this holiday season. Great for layering or wearing on its own. Stay comfortable even if the rest of your family makes the holidays awkward. Premium construction. Our Tipsy Elves ugly Christmas sweaters are crafted with a durable fabric to last through Christmas, yet to come, and make for the perfect matching family pictures. Our mission: Tipsy Elves creates the world's most outrageous apparel. We believe everyone deserves fun, and we design products to turn preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called Number 4. Christmas Shirt Merry Replication. Wake up. About this item: material. Merry and bright Christmas lights t-shirt for women is made of cotton blend. A skin-friendly fabric adopts professional printing that ensure clear graphic and lasting durability. Design stayed after washing. You will feel very comfortable when you put this shirt on. Design: Merry and bright shirt. Merry Christmas shirt. Christmas gift shirt tops. Funny letters printed tees. Short sleeve t-shirt. Color block tops. Round neck shirt. Loose casual fall winter shirt. Style: Christmas lights graphic print shirts. Casual crew neck shirts. Merry and bright tee. Casual short sleeve t-shirts for women. If you are a pious Christian who love Jesus and wait for Santa and his reindeer to put the gift under the Christmas tree for you every year, then
stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it.
Number 5. Tipsy Elves Ugly Christmas Sweaters. Interactive games and surprises. Take the ugly Christmas sweater tradition to a whole new level with sweaters that include interactive games and surprises. Whether it's a built-in drinking game, a hidden pocket for a small gift, or a playful twist on the classic holiday motif. These sweaters will keep the festivities going all night long. Premium quality. Our sweaters are crafted with care from high-quality materials to keep you cozy and warm throughout your holiday celebrations. They are soft, comfortable, and durable, ensuring you look and feel your best. Unique and whimsical designs. Tipsy Elves is known for its fun and unconventional designs. From Christmas trees with pockets for mini decorations to sweaters that light up and play music, you'll find a wide variety of unique and whimsical options to choose from. Perfect for ugly Christmas sweater parties. These sweaters are the ultimate conversation starters and icebreakers at ugly Christmas sweater parties. Get ready for laughter, camaraderie, and endless entertainment. Great gift idea! Looking for a hilarious and memorable gift for a friend or family member? These sweaters make the perfect present that will bring joy and laughter to their holiday season. Bring the fun and entertainment to your holiday parties with Tipsy Elves Ugly Christmas Sweaters for Women, featuring interactive games and surprises. These sweaters will make you the life of the party and leave a lasting impression. Choose your favorite design. Get ready to play, and let the festivities begin. Order now and prepare for unforgettable holiday celebrations.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Please, click the link in the video description to purchase the product. Stay tuned to the channel by subscribing to Amazon's best product reviews. Thanks for watching the video.
I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation.